Hi guys, today's recipe is Bidadi Tatte Idli.
Bidadi is a small town between Bangalore and Mysore. What used to be a simple travel stop has now turned into a famous Tatte Idli destination.
Here is an authentic heirloom recipe of Tatte Idli, which is notoriously indulgent and melts in your mouth. We want you to try this at home too and enjoy with your friends and family.
Hit the like button, ring that bell, and spread the joy.
You need to plan a day ahead to prepare idlis. Take 3 cups of idli rice, one heap cup of split or whole urad dal, 2/3 cup of thick poha, quarter cup of sabudana, half teaspoon methi seeds. Take all these in 4 different bowls. Wash and drain for 4 times. Washing well results in light colored idlis. Soak them for 6 hours with sufficient water. To grind, drain water of rice, poha and sabudana. Use water of urad dal for grinding. This helps in better fermentation. Grind urad dal to a smooth consistency with 1.5 cups of water. Transfer it to a bowl. You can also use wet grinder for grinding. Grind soaked sabudana and poha with half cup of water to a smooth consistency and transfer it to the bowl. Grind rice with 1.25 cup of water to a slightly coarse consistency. It should be like fine rava or soji, and transfer it to the bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and combine well in one direction till batter becomes uniform in color. Transfer the batter to a 6 quart or 5.5 liter bowl as fermented batter can double. Keep the batter in a warm place for 8 to 14 hours for fermentation. You can use Instapot too. Set to yogurt mode on low for 12 to 14 hours. Wrap it in a thick blanket if room temperature is below 32 degrees centigrade. Time taken for fermentation can be 8 hours in summer and may extend to 14 hours in winter. Fermented batter can measure up to 20 cups. To prepare idlis, stir the fermented batter gently for 4 times. Do not overmix. Grease the plates with oil or ghee. Fill the batter to half of the plate to allow space for idli to rise. Arrange plates in idli stand and keep it aside. To steam idlis, take a steamer or cooker and add water for half an inch. Once water starts boiling, place the idli stand in the steamer and steam it for 10 minutes. Flame should be high for first 3 minutes and medium for next 7 minutes. To scoop, dip idli spoon in water to avoid breaking of idlis. You can store idlis in room temperature for a day, 2 days in refrigerator and for months in freezer. To prepare onion tomato chutney, take a thick bottomed vessel and add 1 teaspoon oil, 3 tablespoons chana dal and saute till it becomes golden brown on low flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon jeera, 1/2 inch ginger, 1 garlic pod, 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup tomato, 4 badagi chilies, mainly for color, 6 guntur chilies, speck of cinnamon and saute for 4 minutes on medium flame. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Take 1 tablespoon hot water in a bowl and add 1/2 teaspoon jaggery, 1/2 teaspoon tamarind, 1 teaspoon salt and soak it for 5 minutes. Add sauteed mixture, 1 teaspoon fried chana dal 1/4 cup fresh coconut, soaked tamarind mix, 1 1/4 cup of water to a blender. Blend it to a smooth consistency. Yields 2 cups of chutney. Season the chutney with 1 teaspoon of oil, 1/8 teaspoon mustard, 1 dry red chili, 4 curry leaves. To prepare coconut chutney, take a thick bottomed vessel and add 1 teaspoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon jeera, 2 garlic pods, 1/2 inch ginger, 20 leaves of pudina or mint, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander, 1/2 cup freshly grated coconut, 3 green chilies, and saute it on low flame for 2 minutes. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Take the sauteed mixture, 1 cup fried chana dal, 1/2 teaspoon salt in a blender. Blend it to a coarse consistency with 1 1/2 cups of water. This yields 2 cups of chutney. Season it with 1 teaspoon of oil, 1/8 teaspoon mustard, 1/8 teaspoon jeera, 5 curry leaves. Enjoy hot tatte idlis with butter or ghee and chutneys.
Biddi is a small town between Bangalore and Mysore.
Thank you for watching.